Good morning, everyone. It's Melissa. I just wanted to give you a peek at our morning as Purim is getting going. It's Purim this week, and as you know, I've been baking a lot of hamentaschen, and last night I only made it through 1.5 batches of dough. So I wanted to show you what we're up to this morning. Oh, there's another batch. Hold on. Here we go. Okay, here is the last tray of them. They probably need maybe 2 more minutes to get really golden, so I'll close those up and we'll let them finish off a couple more minutes. But yeah, I lost steam last night baking. I have 2 more batches of dough in my refrigerator that I think I'll work on today. But I wanted to let you know what a crazy mother looks like on Purim, because this is 6 dozen hamentaschen. Now it sounds like a lot, but once you see it, you understand 6 dozen is just not enough hamentaschen. So we're going to be doing 8 dozen more hamentaschen if I can get up the strength today. And I have those others in the oven. We have leftover popcorn as a snack, and then this is one example. I just wanted to show you my simple Mishloach Manot, little gifts for Purim that I give. And this is a can of my favorite French Vietnamese coffee. It's really great. And then I have a little bag of 4 hamentaschen, and this is for one of my neighbors who loves this coffee, and she's older, she doesn't drive, so I always pick it up for her at the Asian grocery store. And she's not Jewish, but she loves hamentaschen, so she'll be getting this delivery later today. And I am, of course, packing lunch, so I thought I'd show you that over here. Here we go. We have last night's leftover dinner. I made these giant corkscrew noodles. They're so big. The kids love them because they can hold like 1 noodle in their hand and it fills their hand. And I made turkey kielbasa last night and sauteed peppers and an onion. And my trick with the peppers, because they're so expensive normally in the grocery store, is I buy them on the day-old produce rack. So I got 3 giant organic peppers for $1 and then just threw in an onion, and that was dinner. So it wasn't such a hard dinner to pull off, and it was also really inexpensive in the end. And I have some leftover cucumber spear. Here's my empty lunchbox. I'm gonna get going with that, and I have a few dishes left over from last night and more hamentaschen to roll out. So that's all just a little Purim peek at our kitchen. Lots of baking going on, lots of dishes to do, and lunch to pack and breakfast on the stove. So I was just compelled to share that with you today. I hope you enjoyed. I hope that your morning is going well. And if you have not seen my hamentaschen video, I'll link it below. It's definitely worth checking out, because as much as I'm a frazzled mother, it is a really simple recipe with only 6 ingredients, and it's the only hamentaschen I will bake. It is the world's greatest hamentaschen. So happy Purim. Thanks for joining me. If you like videos like this that are sneak peeks or a day in the life of a lunch packing mom, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thanks a lot. Bye.